Hello and welcome back to Mind Machinist. In this video, we're going to dive deeper into the art of negotiation and explore effective techniques for achieving win-win outcomes in offshore contract negotiations. Negotiation is a crucial skill for anyone involved in offshore contracts. Whether you're negotiating the terms of a new project or trying to resolve a dispute with a client, the ability to negotiate effectively can mean the difference between success and failure. The first step in effective negotiation is understanding the other party's interests and priorities. This requires research and preparation before entering into negotiations. Start by gathering as much information as possible about the other party. Look for clues about their goals, values, and potential areas of compromise. Once you have a clear understanding of the other party's interests, you can begin to prepare for negotiations. This includes setting your own goals and priorities, identifying potential areas of compromise, and developing a strategy for achieving your objectives. One of the most effective techniques for achieving a win-win outcome is using effective communication and persuasion techniques. This includes active listening, asking open-ended questions, and using persuasive language to frame your arguments in a positive light. Remember, negotiation is not about winning or losing, but about finding a solution that works for both parties. By using these techniques and keeping an open mind, you can achieve a positive outcome for everyone involved. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching Mind Machinist, and be sure to tune in for our next episode on project management best practices.